So originally I traveled to Morocco because my grandparents actually did a trip here when they were in their 30s, and there's a photo of them sitting on a camel, and it was on a refrigerator in my family home. And I guess this kind of started my curiosity for the country. And 6 years ago, I finally came by myself to Morocco, did a trip, traveled just throughout the country, and I really loved it. And I decided that I wanted to go back home and save up some money and then move here. But I didn't expect that I would stay this long. I just thought maybe I'd come try it out for a year, but a year turned into 4 years. So when I first moved to Morocco in 2019, I started a couple concepts, and they were both activities for women. I think I started it because I felt kind of isolated by myself here, and I just wanted a way to meet other ladies that live in the country and provide like a safe space for everyone. We just gather and do different activities. Sometimes we do a clothing swap and then donate the rest of the clothes to a charity. Another one was like a business entrepreneurship workshop where we had women who have businesses in Morocco to like come and gather and kind of talk about what they do to inspire each other to do their project.